Hello and welcome to Chrishairpire. So this is me showing you how to achieve this very beautiful, quick and inexpensive full locks. I got a pack of this hair from the market just for 3,500 francs, and a strand of this is as long as a meter and a half. Yes, so I'm going to be dividing it into three equal parts, and the middle part we are going to part it into three. So these two other parts, that is the length, and this middle part was a little bit shorter, so we are dividing it into three equal parts and it doesn't tangle. That's the beauty about this hair. Very quick to install, very lightweight and very affordable. This is an expression product, so if you plan on getting this, you will be doing something good. So yes, that's it. I divided it into three, and each part go with a full strand of the full locks, like that, just like that. And here we are, guys. When you are braiding any hairstyle, especially when it comes to braid locks, wool, always make sure to moisturize your hair. So that's it. We part the hair into two, put the full locks at the center, get a part of the one we divided into three, and we go ahead and twist it or twine it around the hair. You twine it like 6 times, then you keep that part out, and then you go with the natural hair as I'm doing here. Braid it with the locks. That's a three strand, like a three-strand braid. So just go ahead and braid as I'm doing here. Make the braid a little bit tighter because you don't want the bottom parts to be fat or thicker than the rest of the locks, like this. So we're going to pull it down, yes, because we don't want to twine, or yes, we don't want to twine a longer part of it like that. We use this extra part to just cover up the hair, and then we go ahead and continue twining to cover up the hair and make everything look clean and seamless. So this is what we continue doing. And guys, for this twisting, I'm going to show you two different methods, and you are going to choose the one you prefer. So this is the first method. Here we separate it, a bigger portion and a smaller one. That's the smaller one, we keep it, and this bigger one we secure, like we tie a knot just to secure it, and cut off the extra one with the scissors, as you can see me doing here. Then we're just gonna go ahead to secure the remaining part with the other smaller portion of the hair, to secure the knot so that it doesn't loose. Then we are going to secure it again 2 times so that it doesn't loose. Then we cut it off with the scissors. But the second method, you are not going to be cutting it off. This is very beautiful and very quick, guys. So this is the second method. Watch keenly and let me know in the comment section which method you prefer and which method you're going to be trying. So you see her hair is natural. You see how it's easy to comb through because her hair is well moisturized. The process continue. You place the hair at the center, close it up, get the other part that was section into three. Then you start tying at the bottom. You tie it like 4 to 6 times. Once it's secured, you go ahead and braid. So if you've watched this far and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, hello. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to me, subscribe to the video, subscribe to you. We are making the world a better place in our own little ways, guys. Yes, please subscribe to the channel so that each time I upload a new video you'll be notified. Yes, thank you all for those who do share my videos. I really do appreciate, guys. Please keep sharing and showing me the love. I'm here because of you, and I know you all are here because of me too. Okay, so we just braid as we did the former time, like this. We'll pull everything downwards, push it like this, then you use the extra part to cover up the natural hair, like that. Then we go ahead and keep securing. Guys, share this video with your hairdresser. If you want to achieve this look, share it with your hairdresser, share it with anybody that needs to watch this video. Let the video get to them. Please share. Thank you all for sharing, for liking and commenting. You are loved. So at this point, we still separate. One portion will be a little bit bigger than the other, and the bigger portion we are going to like tie it around the hair, like make a knot and cut off the excess like this. And then the smaller portion, we're going to use it to like secure the knot we just made by forming another knot on it, because we don't want this thing loose. And then we are going to insert the full locks into the locks. Are you seeing that? We open it up and insert it. Are you seeing how I'm using my left hand to open it up, then I insert it? If you look keenly, you'll notice that the locks is opening up, see, like that. So I'm opening up the logs and inserting it, and at the end everything looks seamless, fine and beautiful, guys. So this is the end result. It doesn't look like anything has been inserted, and voila, we have these beautiful logs right here, guys. It's a thumbs up for me. You should like this video, comment, let me know what you think about the hair in the comment section. So I just go ahead to quickly apply styling mousse. This is just so that everything melts and keep the hair together for a very long time and give it that shine with the sheen spray, so that everything is looking fine, like, and smelling good too. So guys, this is the final result. You can style it as you want, but for today I didn't style it because I don't want her to feel pain, though it's not really painful because it's not that tight at the bottom. So you can style it in any style you like, many different other style according to your taste. Okay guys, thank you all for staying here with me. Thank you all for the love, the like, the share, the comments. Please keep liking. Love you all. Bye bye.